back to another Isaac Dustin video. Today I'm going to be making Tasty Tinies with my little sister Carly. And she has all the experience with it, and this is going to be my first time. Isaac does stuff. First we're going to unbox it.
Don't break it! It comes with too.
There we go. So we have the
cake.
thing we're going to put the cake on. I'm pretty sure this is going to be the cake. Okay. Wait, okay, this is Spanish. This is cake. And then cake, icing, and then my mini cardboard.
I can make it.
No, I'm good. I think I know how to do.
I have a table.
Wait, Carter, can you actually make it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is sprinkles. This is sprinkles. This is icing. We have this bag. It's a mini spatula! Okay, and then a measuring cup, technically. Mixing cup. Then we have this thing to put on a bag. Icing tip. And then we have whatever the heck this thing is. Cake mold. What cake? And then we have the measuring cup.
I don't know how to make this. We're unboxing. Yeah, boys.
Boxes.
Get out of here.
I forgot to
came
take
off a
these.
table.
Oh,
Cake
okay.
stand.
I never got a cake stand.
Because that's a mini kit, and you have to get a big kit to get a mini stand. What? A measuring cup.
After adding 1 packet of the cake, mix the bowl using the measuring jug. Measure out a portion of water, 13 milliliters, up to the top marker on the measuring jug to add to the cake mix. All right.
Whee! Could you help me with this, Isaac?
Sure, 1 second.
Too much.
Wait, what?
To the line.
I'll drink some of it. Perfect.
Make it to not spill it.
Good.
Let me see. Nope.
What? I'm just gonna take a little meatball. All right, now we're gonna pour the water into the bowl. Water bowl down. All right, now
Spatula.
spatula. We're gonna mix it until it's a liquid.
A liquid.
Mm-hmm.
Isaac, a batter. Batter.
Yeah, batter. I'm sorry, guys. I think mine's about ready. Actually, no, it's not.
It smells like cake batter.
Now I'm going to be pouring the cake batter into the mold using the spatula.
Now I'm scraping the sides to get some more batter.
Why is this so hard?
I can help you.
Good. It's just I have to scrape a lot of the sides.
I'm taking my time so I don't mess up.
Me too.
I think it's good.
No, you still have a little bit in there, I'm pretty sure.
Look, Isaac.
What? All right. Time to put it in the oven.
Be careful.
Oh, it didn't tip. All right. Now we're going to put it in the microwave for 25 seconds. All right, let's go.
Let's ask our mom and dad.
Okay, now shut it. 2, 5, start.
Well, we're waiting. What's this? It's ready. They're ready.
Here you go. Now we take the bowl out. Be careful, it's super hot. Ow, fudge.
I already took mine out.
Wow! It burns.
Now
Look at the smoke. Now we have to get the icing.
wait. I've been meditating. Now we're gonna make the icing for the cake.
Icing. Hey, Carl. Oh! Just take a little nibble. I'm just gonna take a little sip.
Perfect.
Tastes good. All right, special time.
Special time. All the water's at the bottom.
I know, it's so weird.
I'm being careful.
Tasty Tiny time.
I'm scraping the sides. Yeah, the trick is being patient.
All right, guys, I have my icing ready, and it's nice and creamy.
Isaac, do you need help?
No.
Isaac, that's how you do it.
All right.
Now it's nice and creamy.
Well, son of mine.
What does that say? That is
What the hell? Shits! Creamy shits!
Now I have my icing in a bag. Now I'm gonna start decorating.
I'm gonna
Make a little dot.
Yes! Finally, I got how I wanted it. I'm pretty good with this.
These are the eyes and this is the mouth.
I didn't really plan of making anything. I'm just putting icing wherever I want. Ah, my sprinkles, guys!
Isaac, this is my little unicorn stick.
Wait, I'm gonna be a meme. It's the meme. So guys, this is my gourmet cake. It may not look gourmet, but it tastes gourmet, and the secret is love.
No, the secret is being patient. I'm gonna save some. Let's dig in.
Let's dig in. It tastes like love. I'm eating this.
Me too.
I recommend you guys to buy this. I recommend you guys to buy two. That's $10, $9.99. So that's $20 for two sets. They're really tasty. I rate them a quadrillion out of a quadrillion.
It's easy to make.
It was fun and easy to make. I have cake all over my fingers, cake all over my knee. Hit the like and subscribe button for more Isaac Dustin videos and more rating foods videos. That's it for today, guys. Bye.